traditional food is very, very important to all First Nation communities that we look at.
Kanesatake celebrated the conclusion of the Food, Environment, Health and Nutrition of First Nations Children and Youth Study, or FENHCY. The pandemic extended the process by years and prevented many children from participating, so results on the overall health of youth were not conclusive. But the study helped guide recommendations for improvements in indoor air quality and nutrition, and found that traditional foods are nutritious but hard to come by.
We do get our traditional foods in our powwows, but otherwise than that, you know, the hunters have to go far, so it's expensive when you got to bring that meat back and process it.
Tess Lalonde is Dakota Sioux, but has lived in Kanesatake since the 90s.
It's a big nyawagoa to the community.
As the community engagement liaison, she interviewed community members and leadership to find out what their goals were.
We're trying to bring the traditional foods back in the community. We're trying to bring the bugs back instead of the insecticides. We're trying to make this more natural. So that was very nice to see that the community is working towards a healthier environment.
Lead investigators Malek Batal of the University of Montreal and Laurie Chan of the University of Ottawa analyzed the data from youth like hair and blood samples and their height and weight.
We do everything in a participatory way, so we hope that we are answering in every community to the needs of the community, not to the needs of the research.
Your nation is considered the owner of all data collected from your community.
Unlike in the past, First Nations own and control this data. Jeremy Tomlinson of the Kanesatake Health Center says the study has already led to change.
We're working now with 2 nutritionists. We're working with the school. We're able to get funds in order to take on this initiative. So we're going to introduce more healthy foods for the children in our schools here in Kanesatake.
The researchers and Lalonde will be heading to Mi'kmaq First Nation in Newfoundland next. But they'll still be working with Kanesatake to develop programs and policies in the future.
Basically, it's a partnership, and it's a partnership that starts and continues throughout the study and beyond.
Emilia Fournier, APTN National News, Kanesatake.